Welcome back to my channel, The Broken Masterpiece. If you've been around for a while, you know me as your go-to furniture flipper, and don't worry, that isn't going anywhere. You can still find all my best tips right here, from staging and selling your flips to full-on DIY home makeovers. But as my life has evolved, so has this channel. I'm excited to be sharing a lot more lifestyle content with you now, everything from favorite shopping hauls and Amazon finds to the daily DIYs that keep my home running. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Summer is right around the corner, and I've spent years testing the latest Amazon gear to see what's actually worth your money. Today, I'm taking you through my 10 must-haves for summer, from high-tech home organization to the best lake and pool gear I've ever used. Let's get into it. This Breathsunny Crochet Swim Cover-up is everywhere for a reason. It has that high-end boutique look, but at that Amazon price point. It is incredibly breathable, which is key for those 90-degree beach days or 100-degree humidity days that we have here in the Carolinas. The knit is sturdy enough that it doesn't snag the second you sit on a beach chair, and it's perfect from that pool to taco stand outfit. I'm 135 pounds and I ordered a small and it fits me perfect. Next up, if you have a pool and you know the struggle of wanting to be in the pool, but you also want your drinks and snacks nearby without them getting splashed, this floating pool table actually comes with its own built-in umbrella. It's a total game changer for hosting. You can keep your refreshments in the shade even while you're in the deep end. It's lightweight, portable, and basically turns your pool into a swim-up bar. You can rest it right on a step, or you can take it with you around the pool, making sure that your water loo is always right next to you, and if you need to stay out of the sun, this is perfect for that sun protection. Let's talk paddleboarding. I get asked all the time about my 3 stand-up paddle boards, and I love every one of them, and we take them from the ocean to lakes and everywhere in between. Every one that I have are great, and I'm going to link them in the description, but the Niphean stands out because of the removable stabilizer fin. If you're a beginner, you're on the lake with a little bit of extra breeze, or you're in the ocean with a little bit of waves, the extra stability is everything. It's made from military-grade PVC, so it's tough, but it still rolls down into the backpack. We've had this board for over a year now. We've taken it to lakes, to water holes. We've even had the dogs right on this board. It is so much fun. Taking any of these paddle boards to the ocean is my favorite thing to do. If you want a board that feels rock solid under your feet and you have a little bit of trouble with balance, the Niphean is perfect for you. If you want ones at a little bit of a less price point, the Funwater and the FB Sport are great boards as well. They just don't have that stabilizer fin. So you can find any of them in the description below and find what's best for your family. This is one of the most boring but most important item on the list. We have inflatables, we've got air mattresses, we've got everything that needs to be inflated, and the HYVOHEX Portable Air Inflator and deflator is #1 in our bag. This thing is heavy duty and it doesn't need to be plugged into your car to be able to work. It has a massive 19,000 mAh battery and can handle up to 160 PSI. I use it for everything. It's cordless, it's fast, and it even has a built-in LED light if you're setting up camp after dark. It's a literal lifesaver. We've used this to inflate things and deflate things. Next up, when the kids are out playing or we're in a spot with 0 cell service, these Retevis Walkie Talkies are our go-to. We got 4 of them, and the last time we took them was on a cruise, and it was the best bang for our buck. Everyone on the cruise kept asking me where I got them. And we are stopped at the port right now, but even yesterday when we were using these, I'm gonna show you. Hey guys, can you let me know where you're located?
Mom, they're located at the top floor, 15, and I'm walking back to your room right now.
Thank you. So perfect for finding your family. We have 4 of these, and this has been a lifesaver.
Why don't you guys run down and get me a towel?
To the lobby to go to the bathroom.
Hey family, check in where you're at.
I'm going into the elevator.
Thaddeus, did you find your parents?
There's a 40-person line to get breakfast at Windjammers right now. I don't know where Mom and Dad are, but I'm walking around looking for them. They won't even let me in to look for them.
That's crazy. I'm so glad we found this place.
Oh, and I was thinking about telling people to come down to the other side, but I don't really want people to know.
We're gonna head down to the creek and go looking for crawfish if that's okay with you.
Totally fine. Thanks for checking in.
Got it.
Such an easy way to communicate with your kids while they're stomping through the neighborhoods. These ones are super durable and easy to use. They're waterproof, shockproof. We've used them to stay in touch across the neighborhood and on hiking trails. The battery life is so solid, and they're small enough to fit in your kid's pocket, so no need to get your kid a phone. Get them a walkie-talkie, get a whole family set. If your backyard needs a refresh, look at this Oasbira Outdoor Patio Set. This is the one we have in our backyard, and I have absolutely loved it. I love the material. It's anodized aluminum alloy with HDPS wood-like panels. It's got that high-end teak look, but it doesn't rot, it doesn't rust, it doesn't require sanding and staining every couple years. It's insect-proof and it handles rain and sun like a pro. It's that perfect mix of modern aesthetic with zero maintenance functionality. The cushions are so easy to wipe clean and they dry super quick. It has elevated the look of our backyard in so many ways. All right, next up is safety first. The Nortiv Water Shoes are a staple for us. We have a whole family set of them. They have a protective toe cap and a serious rubber grip on the bottom, so no one's slipping on wet pool decks or cutting their feet on rocks at the lake. And my kids and I love to go to different waterfalls and different swimming holes. And if you know anything about the Carolinas, you have to have water shoes. These are ultra light and dry fast, so you aren't carrying around like 5 pounds of soggy shoes in your beach bag by the end of the day. Plus, they come in sizes for the whole family. I personally hate lake bottoms, and having these is a lifesaver for me and my kids because they also don't like lake bottoms. I mean, who does? Now let's talk home management. We absolutely love our Skylight family calendar. It's an investment, but they have different sizes. We just happened to get the big one because we had some gift cards. They just rolled out an up for grabs chore feature, and it's a total shift for us. Instead of assigning chores to a specific person, which we still do, you can put them in a public pool. Anyone can jump in, finish the task, claim it, and it goes on their chore chart. They can earn stars or rewards. For us, we give our kids commissions, but this helps us track it so much easier. It actually makes the kids want to help because it's like a game to see who can grab up the easiest or the most chores first. This calendar does it all. It syncs all of our family calendars together and makes it so everything is color coordinated and everybody can have tasks, chores, routines, and you can see everybody's schedule on the calendar and see what's upcoming. It also has some features where it can help you plan out meals, add them to your calendar after it plans it for you. Then it adds all the ingredients to a grocery list and helps you organize that grocery list. It's fantastic. This needs to be in everybody's kitchen. Finally, relaxation. The Seagull inflatable lounger is pure genius because it requires no pump, and honestly, the best place for it is at the beach because of the wind. You just open the end, you scoop the air by walking a few steps, you seal it shut, and then you roll it and you clip it. It's made of single layer nylon, the same stuff they use for parachutes, so it's incredibly tough and won't pop easily. We've actually had ours for years. It holds up to 400 pounds and it's basically a portable hammock for the water or for sitting on the beach. We've used this in the pool, we've taken it everywhere, and because it's so light, you don't have to fill it up to be able to bring it to the pool. You can just fill it up as soon as you get there. But it's definitely a lot easier to fill up at the beach with the wind. There you have it, my top 10 for summer 2026. I've linked every single one of these below in the description to make it super easy for you. Which one are you grabbing first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more lifestyle and DIY inspo. I will see you next time.